nerdy. Think I'm just too white and nerdy. Can't you see I'm white and nerdy? Look at me, I'm white and nerdy. I wanna roll with the gangsters, but so far they all think I'm too.
You're probably wondering what just happened in that last clip. Well, don't worry, I'll tell you. Lainey and Rachael were demonstrating the endosymbiotic theory. The pool is a prokaryotic cell and it engulfed Rachael and Lainey, who are the other prokaryotic cells. They each had their original cell membrane, and when they were engulfed, they became double membraned. Rachael, who is the chloroplast, performed photosynthesis for herself and the pool. Lainey, who is the mitochondria, took the glucose produced by Rachael and produced ATP, which is a source of energy that keeps the cell going.
What is the endosymbiotic theory? The theory of endosymbiosis explains the origin of chloroplasts and mitochondria, as well as their double membranes. The concept shows that chloroplasts and mitochondria are the results of years of evolution by endocytosis.
The prokaryotic cell does not fully digest some of the other prokaryotic cells because they can benefit the cell. Some of the benefits are the mitochondrion creates ATP for the cell to use for energy, and the chloroplast produces glucose and oxygen for the cell to use.
This is a visual of the cell during the endosymbiotic theory. As you can see, chloroplast is engulfed in the cell and double membraned, as well as mitochondria.
There are 4 basic steps to the endosymbiotic theory. The first step is that the prokaryotic cell engulfs another prokaryotic cell. This process is called endocytosis or phagocytosis. The second step is that the cell that was just engulfed becomes double membraned. The third step is that the chloroplast works with the cell to produce glucose and oxygen. And the fourth step is that the mitochondria takes the glucose made by the chloroplast to produce ATP, which the cell can use for energy. So the prokaryotic cell is now engulfing the chloroplast, and now the chloroplast just became double membraned.
And now the mitochondria is becoming double membraned and also becoming engulfed in the cell.
Alright class, just to make sure you guys are all following along, we're going to ask a few questions to make sure that you know what we're talking about. Alright class, so the first question is, which 2 organelles have their own DNA, separate from the nucleus? Does anyone know? Lainey.
Is it the mitochondria and ribosomes?
That is incorrect. Does anyone else know? Rachael.
Is it the ribosomes and the chloroplast?
That is not correct. Gold, do you know?
The mitochondria and the chloroplast?
Correct. So class, I know you've been paying attention all along, so let's have another check. What is the evidence of the endosymbiotic theory for the origin of the eukaryotes? Gold.
Well, I think mitochondria do not have DNA. Is that right?
That's incorrect. Rachel.
The mitochondria and chloroplast are the same size as prokaryotic cells and divide by binary fission.
That's kind of right. Let's see if Lainey has anything to add to that.
I have that mitochondria and chloroplast contain their own DNA, which is similar to bacterial DNA.
Correct. So the 2 of your answers make up a right answer. Sorry, Gold, you were wrong. Alright, welcome to quick check number 3. So your question is, the chloroplast and mitochondria are organelles of what type of cell?
Prokaryotic.
Wrong.
Eukaryotic.
Correct. The endosymbiotic theory is the theory that prokaryotic cells evolved into eukaryotic cells.